Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we're going to be looking at the shorter time frames as we are seeing some really nice bounces here. I'm going to be looking at the 6 hour and the 12 hour mainly, but let's dive right in here. So we did get a really nice bullish breakout of this falling wedge type pattern. I did post this, in the Telegram group at around 46, posted Ethereum around 1430, and, posted a few others. So if you are interested in the Telegram group, link is down below. Go check that out. I just want to let you guys know, even with all this bullish price action we've been seeing, this support zone is still very much in play. So, I know it's easy to get extremely optimistic again, but just realize that we're still not completely out of the woods. Okay, so for us to, in my opinion, be out of the woods, we'll take the Fibonacci measured move from the highest point in our previous top to what we perceive currently as a bottom, and that would put the 0.618 at roughly like 52,000 ish dollars. So really I'd be looking to get above this 52,500 type level. If we could get a weekly close above that, that would be extremely good for Bitcoin and the rest of the market, obviously. Moving on, actually let me go to the 12 hour quickly, just so we don't have to go back here. We did get a 12 hour breaking out of this falling wedge pattern. We did get a 12-hour buy signal, and as you can see in the past, these were pretty strong buy indications. Since this bull market started, we haven't seen too many fake outs in retrospect. So going back from all the way here around like this $16,000 level, it's been pretty good, and we are seeing money flow starting to increase here. RSI headed back into the bullish control zone, so we'll have to see how that pans out. Bitcoin dominance, still really battling with this area, so I'm really curious as to what's going to happen. I am still leaning to the downside, and I mean, even on the shorter time frames here, we're getting some confluence with the larger time frames. I mean, I'll just go through each time frame here. The 2-week on market Cipher is still a sell. Okay, it's still going down. We've seen in the past 2-week sell signal pretty strong, even when we got a kind of a fake out buy here, and then right away we got another red sell signal. It's been a really strong indication that the downtrend is continuing in Bitcoin dominance, meaning altcoins are gaining value versus Bitcoin. Even back here on market Cipher, this red sell signal on the 2-week time frame, it wasn't the ultimate top in Bitcoin dominance, but even when Bitcoin was in a bull market versus altcoins, it was still like fairly accurate. So now we're in a market-wide bull market, so I think the accuracy is a little bit stronger. So yeah, that looks pretty good to me. We then have Link here. Link is performing just like all the others. I mean, every single coin you look at, including Bitcoin, they're coming up and are retesting this resistance level. You'll see how similar it is across the board. Testing a resistance level, testing the resistance level. ADA was a little bit of an outlier since it was still pumping while the rest of the market was kind of dropping. We could theoretically see this return back to like the $1.10, maybe dollar mark, right? So we'll see how that progresses. But yeah, I mean, everything's looking good here. We just really have to see some bullish continuation here. Ethereum again, so another one testing this resistance level from like a previous little run that we had during the downtrend. So we'll see what happens. but I just wanted to do a market update for those. Polka Starter, as you guys know, one of my favorites. I've been posting this in the group since $1, and I've been buying it since like a little bit before that, but I've been posting it in the group since $1, and it's performed very well for us. We took some profits around $6.30, $6.50 and $7.30. Again, looks like it wants to break out of here. We'll see what happens. This is a bull flag. We got the momentum wave kicking to the upside here. We got green RSI building momentum, ticking to the upside. So I would really like to see this break up from here. If not, we could come back down and revisit the bottom of this pattern, which is pretty low. So we'll have to see. I'm still playing with a bullish bias. We're in a bull market. So I am going to play with the assumption that we are going to break this eventually. It may not be on this candle. We may have to wait for like the next 4-hour or 6-hour candle. But yeah, overall, Polka Starter, again, looking like one of the most bullish coins in the market. We posted Ethereum, as I said, around 1430, up around 10% on that right now. Got some really good buy signals here on Ethereum on the 6-hour chart. 12-hour, we just started getting a bullish continuation on the anchor wave. So I'd really like to see this continue up and break the 0 line. RSI is starting to head back up. We'll have to see if it can get back into the bullish control zone. On the 6-hour, as I said, it looks like we're starting to build some momentum here. We are seeing the negative money flow start to curve over, so we'll see how that progresses. And another one that I've been holding so patiently, people are asking, oh, when's it going to go up? When's it going to go up? Well, it just exploded. It just had a bullish engulfing candle. I did let you guys know, we got the double bottoms here, right? Unfortunately, we came down and we broke it. I continued to hold because I do think pools has some potential, especially with the whole narrative around IDO platforms right now. So yeah, I continue to hold, and it has been paying off. In retrospect, it could be a, this could be like a, lower high. We'll have to see how it progresses. But all in all, the stochastics even did something great today. So let me show you. And we're going to go onto the 4-hour here, or sorry, the 12-hour. So we had this kind of ascending triangle forming here. Sorry, the lines aren't very clear, but you get the picture. So we had, this ascending triangle, and something that's really interesting, the stochastic RSI is getting up into the bullish control zone, which it has not done essentially for this entire market run. Obviously, this is a newer asset, so it's a little bit harder to see, but just wanted to do a little bit of an update here, guys. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. So as always, please like, subscribe. Telegram group is down below. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I do here is for educational purposes, and we'll see you in the next one.